Hey, kings and queens, I am back with another Bible verse that sounds surprisingly modern. This is for anybody who's been overthinking everything lately. Today's Bible verse is taken from Matthew chapter 6, verse 34, and it says, "Therefore, do not worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will worry about its own things. Sufficient for the day is its own trouble." In today's words, Jesus is basically saying, stop worrying, stop carrying tomorrow's problems in today's hands. You're only meant to handle today. A lot of stress we feel isn't even happening yet. For instance, we are stressing over how we're going to pay our children's college tuitions. They're only in grade 4. We're stressing over what dress, what outfit, the shoes, the matching handbag that we're going to wear to service this weekend. It's only Tuesday. God is reminding us to breathe, trust Him, and take life but one day at a time. Okay? All right, kings and queens, stay in the word and stay encouraged. God bless. Remember, be safe, be kind, be extra vigilant. Keep those water bottles handy. Love in the house.